Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply collagen wound dressing. First, ensure you have all necessary supplies, including sterile gloves, saline solution, and the collagen dressing itself. Begin by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This initial step is crucial for preventing infection and maintaining a sterile environment throughout the dressing change process. Proper preparation sets the stage for effective wound care. After hand washing, put on sterile gloves to maintain a clean field. Carefully remove any old dressing, observing the wound for changes. Use a sterile saline solution to gently irrigate the wound, clearing away any exudate or loose debris. Avoid harsh scrubbing, which can damage delicate new tissue. Pat the skin around the wound dry, but leave the wound bed slightly moist, as this aids in the healing process. Now, select the appropriate size of collagen dressing. If needed, you can carefully cut the dressing to match the exact dimensions of the wound, ensuring it covers the entire affected area without overlapping onto healthy skin. Gently place the collagen dressing directly onto the wound bed. Make sure it lies flat and makes full contact with the wound surface. This direct contact is essential for the dressing to work effectively in promoting healing. Once the collagen dressing is in place, secure it with a secondary dressing, such as gauze or an adhesive bandage, to keep it protected and in position. Follow your healthcare provider's instructions regarding how often to change the dressing, which is typically every 1 to 3 days. Continuously monitor the wound for any signs of infection, like increased pain, redness, or unusual discharge. Proper follow-up care is vital for successful wound healing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.